Welcome to my video. Savannah, here we are. I am ready for the tour, and we are the influences of midlife, ready to roll. We're doing a walking tour with Hip to Be Square, and we're learning all about the 22 squares of Savannah. What a beautiful city. It is known for its architecture. It is known for its beautiful old homes. It's also known for the historical points in the South. Did you also know that Savannah has 22 squares located throughout the city with these beautiful trees that are just massive and like nothing you've seen before. It's also known for its wrought iron and these beautiful old homes. And then there are the historical markers and statues of people of importance located in the different squares. Savannah is a place that you need to visit. The squares are so calming and peaceful with all of the beautiful trees and the greenery that you can sit, you could read, you could just relax. Well, it's a little hot sometimes of the year, and there I am with my hat on because that sun was something else. We learned about the Wesley Chapel Trinity and the Methodist Church, and then we all had dinner at the Old Pink House, one of the oldest restaurants in Savannah. I hope you get to visit soon, thanks to the influence.